blanket. So, muna siya ang meat. So, ano siya, tanan. Ang pig in the blanket. Then, now I need to cook. And, siyempre, I'm going to add rice. No, I'm going to add water. So, naluto na ang atong pig in the blanket. It is yummy really, guys. Very yummy.